If you like a more natural way of freshening your house, then I have got something for you. As soon as I saw this, I reached out to the brand and asked if they would send me some because I had to try it, and they did. Let me show you everything. Stay all the way to the end and I'll share the cons with you. First of all, this is a really, really big bag. You can use this many times. It's not just a one-off, like a plug-in. You plug it in, you've got your 30-ish days, and then you replace it. This has many refills in it. You can see that I poured just the tiniest bit in here. That's all you need for a smaller room. This is going in my laundry room. It's just been remodeled and it smells really musty. But if you have a bigger area, you could put more in. So you adjust it based on the room. And you could start with a little bit and then add more as you go until it's just the right amount. When you first put it in here, what it smells like is tea tree oil. If you're not a fan of tea tree oil, you may not like this though, because the tea tree oil does kind of populate the room, but it also has undertones of a different scent. So I think there were 3 scents. This is the one I like the most. And this is sandalwood and bourbon, which are very natural scents. Once the tea tree kind of subsides a little bit, then you can smell the sandalwood and the bourbon, but it's still very light. It's not like an air freshener that you're spraying or a plug-in that you're plugging in. It's way more subtle. What it's doing is kind of absorbing the odors in the air so that you're freshening and removing odors more than just covering them. I hope that makes sense. Because you're also using more natural ingredients, it's safer around kids or your pets, and you feel good using something like this. Now, obviously, you want to put this in a safe place. You don't want little fingers in it. You don't want dogs eating it. So just be cautious with it. And it does come with a lid, of course. You could put the lid on or leave it off if you wanted to really do something to a room, remove the scent quicker, take the lid off and it'll do that. And then once you've done that, you put the lid on, it'll be a lot more subtle. And the lid has holes, of course. And this is really pretty. It's this beautiful frosted glass, so it really will go in pretty much any room, anywhere. And then, of course, this kind of an oak finish top. Really pretty. It's real glass, so do be careful where you're putting it so it doesn't get knocked over or anything, but it's also very, very thick. When you walk into the room after it's been in there, it's just a very nice, subtle scent. It's not overpowering at all, and your room just smells better over time. So I really think that it's helpful for any room or any area that has lingering odors like dog scents. Because of the nature of the gel can last a really long time, and you replace it when you feel like you need to. When it starts turning a darker color is pretty much when it needs to be replaced. So you can just wipe it out, scrape it out, and then put some more in. And then it does come in other flavors. So if you don't love this scent, try another one. Although I just think this is so great. I don't know why you wouldn't like this. I think it's unique, fun, and very, very pretty. So I hope that helps with any questions you might have had.